If you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly way to use Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Mailchimp basics step by step so you can get comfortable with the platform, add contacts, create an email campaign, customize your message, and send it with confidence. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard, and from here, you can start managing your audience and building campaigns. If you're brand new to Mailchimp, don't worry. The layout may look busy at first, but once you know where to click, it becomes much easier to navigate. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on Audience from the left-hand navigation menu. This is the section where you manage your contacts, and it's one of the most important parts of Mailchimp because your email campaign needs an audience to send to. After that, click on Add Contacts. This gives you the option to bring people into your mailing list. Next, choose Import Contacts. This is how you can upload contacts for your mail campaign. Mailchimp usually gives you a few different import options depending on where your contacts are saved. You might upload a file, paste contacts manually, or connect another source. Make sure your contact list is clean and organized before importing because a well-structured audience helps your campaigns perform better. Once your contacts are added, it's time to move over to campaigns from the left-hand menu. This is where you create and manage your email campaigns. If you want to send a newsletter, a promo email, an update, or any other type of message, this is the area you'll use. Click Create, then select Email as the campaign type. After that, choose Regular to create a standard email campaign. This is the most common option for beginners because it's straightforward and works well for general announcements, updates, and promotions. Now you need to name your campaign. Enter a descriptive name that helps you identify it later. For example, you could use something like Monthly Newsletter, July, or Welcome Email Campaign. A clear name makes it much easier to stay organized, especially if you plan to send multiple campaigns over time. Once you've entered the name, click Begin to open the campaign builder. At this point, you'll need to choose an email layout. Mailchimp offers templates and basic layouts, and if you're just starting out, a basic layout is usually the best choice. It gives you a clean, simple design that's easy to edit. A basic layout also helps keep your email focused, which is useful if you want your readers to quickly understand your message. Now, it's time to customize the design. In the campaign builder, you can edit the content blocks to make the email your own. You can add or edit text, upload or replace your logo, insert or change images, add buttons and links, and rearrange content blocks to fit your message. The goal here is to make the email look professional while still being easy for your audience to read. As you edit, think about the structure of your email. Start with a clear opening, keep your message concise, and make sure the most important information stands out. If you're promoting something, place the call to action where people can easily see it. If you're sharing updates, use simple formatting so your content is easy to scan. After customizing the design, review your email content carefully. Check that you have a clear subject line, well-formatted text, relevant images, a strong call to action, and consistent branding. These details matter because they affect whether people open, read, and click your email. Use the preview option to see how your email will appear to recipients before you send it. This step is really important because it helps you catch mistakes early. Once everything looks good, click Save and Exit to save your progress. This is useful if you're not ready to send right away. You can always come back later, make changes, and finish the campaign when you're ready. Before sending, complete your campaign settings. Double-check your recipient audience from name, from email address, subject line, and preview text if you choose to use it. These settings are what recipients will see in their inbox, so make sure everything is accurate and professional. If anything looks off, fix it now before moving forward. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click Send to launch your campaign. That's it. You've now gone through the basic Mailchimp workflow from logging in, managing your audience, creating a campaign, customizing the email, and sending it out. If this video helped you understand how to use Mailchimp Basic, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.